We need 10 times more solar manufacturing in the next 10 years, and 25 times more in the next 25, in order to avoid a future of endless wildfires, droughts, and floods. But the thin margins and expensive factories of today's solar technology are holding us back. 95% of solar cells use silicon wafers, and manufacturing these wafers is expensive, wasteful, and energy intensive. Leap Photovoltaics is solving these challenges with solar cells that deliver the high efficiency of silicon and even better reliability at half the cost. Our unique process eliminates wafers, going straight from refined silicon to a finished solar cell, and uses established materials and off-the-shelf equipment to quickly commercialize and scale up manufacturing. Solar cells were a $15 billion industry in 2020 and expected to double or even quadruple by 2030. Yet in 9 of the 10 largest solar markets in the world, OEMs have to import wafers or cells from a handful of foreign vendors, with little transparency in pricing, availability, or labor and environmental practices. Leap's revolutionary approach makes global manufacturing competitive. Our beachhead market is US OEMs, who spent $500 million on imported solar cells in 2020. The emissions reductions at scale are massive. We project that we can eliminate 5 gigatons of CO2 by 2030 and over 100 gigatons by 2050. That's over 70 years of emissions from all the electricity generated in the US. We're sustainable by design. By eliminating wafers, our manufacturing process will use 70% less energy and 90% less water, and we are partnering with organizations that use solar manufacturing to create jobs in disadvantaged communities in the US. Leap's team includes engineering and business experience working with startups and majors to scale and bring new solar technology to market, as well as advisors with decades of experience in solar R&D and entrepreneurship. We have partnered with Lawrence Livermore National Lab and UC San Diego to validate the performance of device components against computer simulations for device specifications. The unique economics of Leap's technology can drive the growth we need to rapidly decarbonize our energy system, while upholding high environmental and labor standards. Let's leap into our clean energy future.